Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I'm really happy to have you here today. We're going to build a fun new Scratch game together. So let's get started.
So this will be our game that we're going to create in Scratch today. So if we click on go, so you can't touch the cards because if you touch the cards, it will say game over and it will stop everything from working. But if you do not touch the cards and dodging them, see, like it's kind of easy. So just like this. If you touch the trophy, it will say you win. So let's get right into it. Okay, now this is our space. Now we don't need this cat. Delete it. And we could get the duck from going to Google and searching up Crossy Road duck character PNG just to get this. You could choose any type, but I would rather to choose the ones that have these types of backgrounds, and then go to a PD remover link so you can remove the background. So I already have the image saved, so let's go here. To upload it, you need to go here. Don't click. Just hover on it. Then go up. You'll see upload sprite. Click on it. Then go to your downloads where you should download from the PG remover. And it should be, right here. This is it. So this is our duck. But we want him to be smaller, like 40. 45 maybe. 45 is a pretty good. You could choose 40, you could do 45, anything you want, but not too big. Then we would want to start by moving. So we'll click on when green flag clicked, but we want him to start at the finish, like at the start line. So he'll start right here. -9, -47. Then if we go to motion, you'll see here, it's already written, -9, -40, 147. Then we would want a forever, then ifs. We could just duplicate. Boom, we got 4. Then, if you want to duplicate, by the way, it's right click, then click on duplicate. That's how you duplicate. So just duplicate this multiple times. Then we'll see like right, then left, then up and down. Then what we have to do is go to motion, scroll down, you'll see change X by. Put it inside the right and the left. For up and down, we'll choose the Y. So we'll change these numbers into this +5, -5. +5, -5. Now this should work, but if we do this, yeah. See? Now it's moving. Now that's just the moving. That's only the moving system. Now we need like the Crossy Road like map thing. We'll go to choose it. If you want to choose a backdrop, there might be like a road backdrop somewhere in here, but I would rather to like draw your own. So you could either you could also search it up, or you could just paint it by yourself. So we'll start with a rectangle. We don't want purple, we want like a gray. We want the saturation to be 0, and this should be good. And we don't want outlines. No outlines. We don't want it too big, we don't want it too small. Yeah, that should be good. Then we want the first road, but let's like make this a bit bigger like this. Then we want the first road. The first road could have like a saturation of like fully black, but that changes the thing. Okay. Second. Okay, then we'll add another rectangle, but this time will be black. Kind of need it kind of big, so keep it like that. Like this should be good. By the way, you could make your own. You could do your own road. Just don't make it too big and don't make it too small. Make it the perfect size. Then put it a bit down, just like that. And of course, on the roads, just to add a little touch, there's like these. Some countries have like these white or yellow lines, so I'll just add yellow. I mean white. So just like this, and another one, just like this. It's kind of uneven, but so since it's uneven, we'll just select this, put this right over here, and then we'll duplicate it. Oh, looks like we cannot duplicate, so just click on copy and click on paste. Then go over here, just like that. But if you wanted to go faster, you could just put it like this. Select both of them, copy paste, put it next to them. Again, just like that. Select them, copy paste. Since that is too much, both of these, gone. All of these, just put it right here, just like that. Then we could just grab all of this, copy and paste, put it right here, and just like that. Could put like a green grass, just like that. Kind of want the color to be a bit darker, just like that. You could add some designs by putting some like darker shadow, or you could just put like a light one, just like this. Just don't mind this. Just keep doing random lines, like whatever you want. Just keep doing random lines. And then instead of taking like a long time, again I forgot that we can't duplicate it, so I'll just do this. That looks good. Okay. Yep, that should be good. Then we want the car, so we'll go over here, choose a sprite. Now we want to choose a sprite. Search up here, car, then choose either these two convertibles, but I would recommend this truck. It's like bus, or like these trucks are like too big, so I'll recommend this. Like it's literally the perfect size. But you would want to just like this. But you would want to like 50. Maybe 45. 39. Yeah, just like that. We would want the x to be negative 239. Then choose another one, but we could just right click and duplicate this again. And put this right here. Just like the same thing. Negative 250. Negative 250. Negative 239. Yep. Then we'll add one green flag clicked. We'll click on grab it forever. If condition. So we'll do if touching edge. Or we could do if not touching edge. If not touching edge. Or like it's if I remember, I think it's like touching edge. So then we would want a change by here and then add a 5. And then for this, like this. Yep, just like that. And then just put this in here. You might see it, like you might think it didn't do it, but it actually converted to here. Since this is like 85, we'll put 85 here. Okay, that should be it for this. Then we could choose from here trophy, if there's a trophy or not. There is not a trophy, so you could choose anything for the trophy. I'm gonna look for something that could be like a trophy. Because most of the trophies like you'll find in Google will be like having a background, but that PG remover won't like work for some reason. I think I have one. If I just check, yeah, it's right here. Okay, yeah, it will work, but it only works on like specific trophies. Then go to costumes. It should be good. Then make it. Would want it to make like a bit smaller than the duck itself. So the duck is 40. This is 39. Let's try 25. That's too small. Try 30. 30 is a perfect. It's literally perfect. Then if we go here, one green flag clicked, go here, go to this. We don't need it forever actually. If, let me stop. If touching edge, no, not edge, this one, you could just change this name, the whole name, into duck. And change this into what? Change this whole thing to trophy. Okay, if touching duck, and okay, so if it's touching duck, we would want it to say you, like you would win. You win. For 2 seconds. But I would rather it to be like much faster, so 1.5 seconds. So then we would want it to stop all. We don't want it to like keep on continuously going. So click on go. But as we can see, the cars aren't moving. Huh. Oh, it's because I know why. It's because I've put in change Y by. So that was my mistake. So I'll change to X. Not one. Okay. No, it should be. Yep, just like that. Okay, that's really weird. Could be a possible chance that it's like kind of bug. Sometimes like Scratch can be buggy because it's kind of old now. So it should be correct. Yeah, it's correct, but like it's not supposedly working for some reason. Okay, anyways, then we would go to here. Click on F. Touching convertible to, and go to operators and get or. We would not want and, because if we chose and, it would be like if you touched both of them, then you would stop. So we want either of them. And 3, put it right here, it's pretty long. Then we would put a say, and we would say game over for 1.5 seconds. Then stop all. Okay, it's still not working. Okay, since it's not working, I'll show you the code. So this is supposed to be the code. So if like the X position is more than 250, then it will be like this. So if we go over here, and we could go here, could do X position more than 250, and then duplicate this and put it in here. No, not in trophy. Did I accidentally put it in trophy? Nope. Yeah, that was weird. Okay, then remove this. Then replace it with this. Now it should work. Yep, just like that. Now this should work. Yep, just like this. Game over when we touch it. Ooh, okay. Go up, up, wait. Up, 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 up. It should say when. Okay, that's really weird. Okay, that was weird. Kind of bugged for a second. Okay, for some reason it's kind of bugged. So, anyways, that's it. That should be the whole thing. This is for the trophy if it's like bugged. This is the trophy, so it's only for so you're supposed to put it forever. Did not realize that. And up, 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 up. And it should say oh when. So that's it for the code and the game.
Alright everyone, that's it for today's lesson. I hope you had fun learning with me. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.